Hi, I'm John Vianney from johnvianney.com. I'll teach you affiliate marketing. Basically, a 15-day challenge course on how to establish low high ticket affiliate marketing. So today we're talking about why low ticket affiliate marketing is dead. So basically, it's on live support. Even there are many people trying to promote cheap products. It's on live support. So the point is, low ticket affiliate marketing is promoting products that gives you tiny commission. So affiliate marketing is promoting products and earning commission the products you don't have to own. So other people products and you earn commissions. This commission could be high or low, medium, whatever. So, but low ticket affiliate marketing is like promoting products on GVZoo, Warrior Plus, even ClickBank, gives you low, tiny commissions. I mean, something around $27, $47, $10 in commission. And these products are likely to cost something around $99, $47, and so on. Even if there are upsells and downsells after, like in Warrior Plus. But the point is, if you're earning tiny commissions, very few commission, how would you repay the cost of ads or even the time you're putting for creating content? Because maybe some people can say like, oh, I'm not doing ads, I'm only promoting on TikTok, YouTube, whatever it, Pinterest, and so basically I don't have the money to spend in advertising. So they may say, oh, I'm promoting low ticket affiliate marketing because everything that comes in my wallet, even tiny, even $10 are money. Yes, but you have to put another element in the game: the time, and the service. So, but if you are doing affiliate marketing or even online marketing, whatever, you at least need an autoresponder, something as a click funnels or lead pages to build the pages and to build the funnels and domain hosting, whatever. Okay, you pay maybe once a month, once a year, but these are costs. Okay, these are costs. And think about the fact also that low ticket affiliate products have generally high refund rates, and tons of people are promoting them, and you have high refund rates, tons of people are promoting them, and you have like tiny commissions and lot of pain. Why? Because maybe you have to sell thousands of these low ticket to like earning $10. For example, let's pretend that you are trying to sell something that pay which costs like $47, and you might be paid something around 50% or 60 or 70, maybe 20, 30 bar, $30 per sale. So, but how many sales you have to do to just earn 1,000 per month? You just do your math and then think about the fact that you could have high refund rates. Why? Because generally these products have high refund rates because people just perceive them low value. Because let's be fair, if you pay something around $20, $30 for something, you tend to think that is not really worth it. It's not really something valuable. So you might ask, you just expecting this, and there are high refund rates. You just ask refunds, even especially if they are digital products like ebook or something like this. You think that, oh, just ask refunds, only 20 bucks, $30, whatever. So you have a high refund rates, okay, and also your list are expecting like low value, cheap, and you are mixing with all the other markets. So on the contrary, if you are promoting high ticket affiliate products, first of all, there is more value inside. Of course, because if a product costs like something around 1,000, that's more value. It should be more value. And low refund rates, because people who are able to buy something around 1,000 tend to not ask a refund immediately. At least they're going through the course because they say, oh, I bought something valuable. And on the other hand, of course, you get high commission. Just think about the fact that you could have 50% of commission of something around 1,000. It's way better than having $20. I think so. And you might think that, oh, it needs too much time to sell, it's harder to sell something around 1,000. But the point is, it's not quite like this. It's the same amount of effort. As math, as facts. If you have to sell something around 1,000, it's just value just to sell a product. If you have to sell something around $47, you have to put the same effort. A lead might cost you $5, $7 in both of the cases. Think about you are doing Facebook advertising or Google advertising. A lead now might cost something around $7. How would you afford it if you earn $20 and you get 50% of refund? So having a high ticket commission, you got 500, you can repay your hat and invest, acquire more leads. Of course, you need more education. You need probably a telephone team that calls you on your behalf and directly sell. Why? Because people tend to think, oh, if I have to spend 1,000, I need to speak with someone. So you need to partner with something, with a company that really cares about you and educate your lead, follow up your leads, nurture your leads, and also call your leads on the phone or Zoom, give coaching, and all of this, and have the value. And the second point, you need really to take care of the company you are partnering with. Why? Because your leads are expecting value. And if you're partnering with low ticket, cheap value companies, that you associate your name with them and they think that you are low value, you're worth less. So basically, first of all, you need to partner with high reputable company that gives you high commissions and they educate your lead, they nurture your lead, and they in the end sell and continuously sell to your lead. And second point, think about the fact that if you're partnering with a low ticket company that sell cheap products, probably you are building their list and they will sell other products with their affiliate link. So you just bring them a customer, they pay you dimes, and they will sell them high ticket products, but you do not get any commission. So you need a company that pays you nice commissions, and if they sell something to them, they will give your affiliate link. So you get continuous revenue. So how can you find that kind of company? You just go to the link below in description. YouTube description is a link. You just put your name and email and you get the coaching, you get the education, you get the lessons on how to promote high ticket products and where to find them and how to just capture these leads and all the process. So go to the link in the bio. Go to the link in the bio if you're on TikTok or whatever, or you in Instagram, or go to the link in the description, which is johnvianney.com, and put your name and address, and you will be instructor. You get free presentation of this method explained by my mentor, and you will know how to find this company, how to do affiliate marketing in a proper way that gives you recurring commissions and more stable. So go to the link in the bio, go to the link in the description and apply and change your life for good and learn what is the real internet marketing lifestyle. See you in the next video.